The RYOBI 1 Plus cordless electrostatic sprayer is perfect for professionals and homeowners. Its advanced electrostatic spraying technology ensures even coverage. Spray up to 30 tanks on a single charge, and switch between 3 spray modes, low, medium, and high with ease. The backpack design makes it comfortable for prolonged use. Included are 2 18V1 Plus batteries and a charger compatible with over 175 RYOBI tools. It's a reliable choice for spraying water-soluble solutions or chemicals. The Milwaukee cordless Caulk Gun ensures smooth application of adhesives and sealants. Its powerful motor delivers up to 950 pounds of force, making it suitable for thick materials. With a 6-position speed control, you can adjust flow from 0 to 21 inches per minute. The exclusive constant flow technology ensures consistent output. Made with durable metal gears, it's perfect for heavy-duty tasks. The lightweight, ergonomic design enhances comfort during use, making it an installer's must-have tool. Jet's 8-inch variable speed buffer is a powerhouse for industrial grinding tasks. With a robust 1 HP motor, it operates from 900 to 3,600 RPM, adapting to various materials. A braking resistor ensures instant wheel stoppage, while pre-lubricated ball bearings guarantee smooth performance. CSA/CUS certified, this grinder meets stringent safety and quality standards. Its molded motor housing enhances durability, making it a reliable choice for professionals seeking precision and efficiency in their workshop. The ALSA 1/2 inch split beam torque wrench is built for industrial tasks. Its torque range of 50 to 250 foot-pounds ensures versatility, and the knob-style adjustment prevents accidental changes. Accurate to plus or minus 4%, it guarantees precise tightening. A distinct click signals when the desired torque is reached, avoiding over-tightening. Made of chromium vanadium alloy, it's durable and resistant to wear. The TPR handle offers a firm grip, making it comfortable for extended use in heavy-duty applications. The Impaktor wheel socket set is essential for changing car wheels with ease. Designed for 1/2 inch impact wrenches, it features smooth plastic rims to protect wheel surfaces. The hexagonal profile ensures precision and prevents wear, even under high torque. Made from durable materials, this set withstands heavy use. Its unique design allows for efficient and safe tightening or loosening of bolts, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The rigid Model 5 strap wrench provides a secure grip on polished pipes without causing damage. Its 18-inch handle and 29¼ strap length offer ample torque for efficient work. The polyurethane-coated nylon strap ensures durability and is easy to replace. Suitable for pipes up to 5 inches in diameter, this versatile tool is ideal for plumbing, maintenance, and other tasks requiring a reliable grip without compromising the pipe surface. The DEWALT impact driver combines power and precision. Its brushless motor delivers 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and 3,400 RPM, handling tough jobs with ease. 3 speed modes and a variable trigger allow for precise control, while the integrated LED ensures visibility in dark spaces. This tool is 30% more efficient than similar models, making it ideal for demanding tasks. Durable and lightweight, it's a must-have for construction and DIY projects. This cast iron firewood splitter simplifies splitting logs for fireplaces and campfires. Its 6.5-inch top ring accommodates most wood sizes, while the design prioritizes safety by eliminating sharp-moving blades. Simply place the log and strike for easy splitting. Built to last, it's virtually maintenance-free and more efficient than traditional axes. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for anyone looking to prepare firewood effortlessly and safely. The GARWRENCH bolt biter extraction socket set is ideal for removing damaged fasteners. Its tapered design ensures a snug fit on worn-out bolts, while dual-sized sockets work with both inch and metric fasteners. Made from chromolybdenum alloy with a black oxide finish, it resists corrosion and ensures durability. Perfect for challenging repair jobs, it provides exceptional strength and efficiency, making it a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. The Chemo 18-gauge nail gun handles woodworking tasks with ease. Powered by two 2000 mAh batteries, It shoots nails and staples up to 2 inches. Its quick-release magazine holds 100 fasteners, while safety features prevent accidental firing. Built-in LEDs illuminate dark workspaces, and the low battery indicator ensures uninterrupted work. Lightweight and portable, this versatile tool is ideal for carpenters, DIYers, and professionals seeking efficiency. The magnetic flange aligner simplifies pipeline work with precise alignment. Its strong magnetic bases attach to flanges securely, even in tight spaces. Suitable for various diameters, it ensures leak-proof connections and saves time during installations. Durable and user-friendly, this tool enhances pipeline reliability by providing accurate alignment. Perfect for industrial and professional use, it's an essential addition to any toolkit requiring precision and efficiency. The Milescraft PinDoctor simplifies door hinge pin removal and installation. Its clear body ensures precise alignment, while the solid steel striking pin delivers efficient force. The flat base prevents damage to metal surfaces, making it perfect for professional or DIY use. Easy to operate, this tool enhances convenience and speed in door maintenance tasks. Durable and compact, the PinDoctor is a must-have for hassle-free hinge work.